Good morning. I am Shanmuga Priya, Kovai Kalaimal College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to discuss about degrees of comparison. So here degrees of comparison are used when we compare one person's or one thing with another. So that is called degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison, words may be adjectives describe nouns or adverb describe verbs. Usually we know parts of speech. So how many types of parts of speech is there? There are 8 types of parts of speech like a noun, a pronoun, a verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjections. There are 8 types of parts of speech. So noun, so we all know a noun is the name of person, place or thing or idea. So that is called a noun, and pronoun is a word is used inside of a noun, that is called a pronoun. And verb, so the verb in a sentence expression action or being. Okay. So adjectives. Here an adjective is a word to describe noun or pronoun. For example, the rose is beautiful flower and she wore beautiful dress. So adjectives is a word to describe noun or pronoun. That is called adjectives. And adverb. An adverb is modifies a verb. So an adjective or another adverb. For example, like he ran quickly, she spoke softly, okay, gently, extremely, carefully. So there are adverbs. Okay, an adverb is nothing but it modifies a verb and adjective or another adverb. That is called adverb. And another one is a preposition. A preposition is a word, so it's placed before a noun or a pronoun, so to form a phrase modifying another word by the sentence. For example, he sat on the chair, so here on is preposition. Okay, on, by, with, about, until, so these are the preposition. And conjunction, and conjunction is nothing but join words or phrases, clauses. Okay, so and like a but or a while, because. Okay, so for example, like she usually eats at home, so because she likes cooking. Okay, so this is a conjunction. Okay, so an adjunction, conjunctions is join words or phrases or clauses, that is called conjunction. And so interjection is interjection is a word, okay, to express emotion. Okay, so that is a interjection. For example, like oh, yes, are also here. Okay, so this is an interjection. So there are 8 parts of speech. So here adjective. So here adjectives is describe nouns or adverbs describe verbs. Okay, and degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Like first one positive degree, and second one comparative degree, third one superlative degree. So positive degree. So there are mainly 2 ways forming degrees of comparison. So by adding er and est. So positive. So sometimes it's called synthetic method. So and by using more and most before the positive, or sometimes called analytic method. Okay, and another one comparative degree and superlative degree. So here the positive degree gives us information, pretty, green, small, smiley. Okay, this is a positive degree. And another example, like a dangerous, proud, graceful. Okay, for example, like the matrices are strong. Okay, the matrices are strong. So here strong also positive degree. Okay, and so this is an example. The house is big. The house is big. So here big is positive degree. And that girl is smart. So here smart also positive degree. And next one, the comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare only 2 things. Okay, used to compare only two things, like the bee is smaller than the bird. The bee is smaller than the bird. Okay, or another example, like what is it, the Punjabis are stronger than the Madrasis. Okay, faster, smaller, okay, more excellent, more beautiful. So these are the comparative degree. So this is a rule, add er to the adjectives. Already we know what you mean adjectives. Adjectives is nothing but it describe adjectives is nothing but it describe nouns. Okay, so here fast, faster, slow, slower, big, bigger, small, smaller, tall, taller. And this was example of the comparative degree. The butterfly is prettier than the worm. The butterfly is prettier. So here prettier is comparative degree. And another one, the ant is slower than the cockroach. Okay. Usually you know the ant is slower than the cockroach. Okay. Slower. Okay. Slower. It's a comparative degree. Or like a comparative degree, what is it? The Punjabis are stronger than the Madrasis. Okay, so here stronger, we add er. So here we use 2 degrees. What is that? Positive one, comparative degree. For example, the house is big, but my house is bigger. So big is a positive degree and bigger is a comparative degree. And so these are the fast, difference between fast and faster. Okay, so the boy is fast on his bicycle, but I am faster. Fast, faster. And this is a more example, like a painful and more painful. So adjectives ending. So adjective ending in ful or re. So here we use more. Okay, adjectives ending in ful or e we use more. So for example, like what is that? Painful. It's a more painful. Hopeful, more hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful. Expensive, more expensive. So here painful. So ful in the ending in ful. Okay, and expensive is ending in e. So here we use more. And so this is the exceptions to the rule. So like good, better, bad, worse, many, much, more, little, few, less, far, further, further, old, older, older. Okay, and sometimes like what is it? Younger, okay, and fine, finer, happy, happier, big, bigger, biggest, and hot, hotter, and fat, fatter. Okay, old, older, late, later, short, shorter. Okay, so and next one, the superlative degree. So the superlative degree is used to compare 3 or more objects, people, places. So here the ladybug is cuter than the fly. The ladybug is cuter than the fly, but the grasshopper is the cutest of them all. Okay, so the magaratist or strongest of all. So cuter. So here we use 2 degrees, like a comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, superlative degree is used to compare 3 or like more objects or people, okay, or places. And this is a rule, add est to the adjective. Fast, faster, fastest. Slow, slower, slowest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smallest, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay, so positive and comparative we use er and est. Okay, hot, hotter, hottest, and what is that? Old, elder, eldest, late, later, latest, and many, more, most. Okay, bad. This is bad, worse, worst. And next one, he was the fastest in the bicycle race. This is the example for superlative degree. And next one, so she was the smartest girl in the class. Okay, she was the smartest girl in the class. And so this is an example. What is that? Is a painful, is a more painful, and changes to superlative degree like most painful. And hopeful, more hopeful, and changes to most hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful, changes to most beautiful. And flexible, more flexible, and most flexible. So adjective ending FUL-RE we use more and most. So this is for rule 1. Add or and st to words that end in e. Okay, so you already know like safe, safer, and safest. So here add or. Okay, SAFE, safe, and we add just or. Okay, the words that end in e and we add or. This is comparative. Okay, and safest. So we add st. So you remove or and ends, add e, just st. Okay. So rule 1, add or and st to words that end in e. Safe, safer, safest, or wide, wider, widest. Okay, tamer, tamest. And this is the example. Large and larger and largest. Okay, positive and comparative, superlative. And this is a rule 2. So if the word ends in y, change the y to I. Then add er or est. Okay, if the word ends in y, so tide. So here tido and tidest or happy. Okay, ends in y. So change the y. Add I. And we know as usual add er. Okay, comparative. And this is superlative. We add est. Okay, so tido, and happy, happier, happiest, and lucky, luckier, luckiest. Okay, so here rule 2, if the word ends in y, change the y to I. Then add er or est. And so this is an example. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. So this like the word ends in y and we add I. Okay. Then as usual we add er and est. Okay. And this is a rule 3. When the word has short sound, the last letter must be doubled when adding er or est. Okay, short sound, last letter. Okay, big, hot, sad, old, fat. So these are short sound. Okay, these are short sound. Okay, fat and fine, late, fat. So these are short sound. Okay, last letter must be doubled. Okay. For example, big is bigger and changes into comparative. We add bi. Okay, and you add g, and as usual er. Okay, so when the word has a short sound, a last letter must be double when adding er or est. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. And example of rule 3 or example. Big, bigger, biggest. Positive, comparative, and superlative. This is rule 4. When the word has one syllable and ends on two consonants, add ER or EST. When the word has one syllable, okay, and ends on two consonants. Okay, already you know consonants. Yes. So consonants you know vowel A, E, I, O, U vowels, and remaining parts is consonant sounds. Okay. So one syllable. Yes, smart is one syllable, and black is one syllable, and cold is one syllable. Okay. So here two consonants and ends in two consonant sounds. Okay. What is it? R and T. So this is a consonants. Okay, so SMART smart, and we add as usual ER. Okay, so when the word has one syllable and ends on two consonants, okay, add ER or EST. Smarter, smart, smarter, smartest. Black, blacker, blackest. Cold, colder, coldest. And this is example of rule 4. Smart, smarter, smartest. So positive, comparative and superlative degree. And rule 5. So you know some words not the following the rules. Okay. Yes, already you know good, better, the best, and bad was the worst, and much and much more the most. Okay. Or a little or less, lesser. So here, so few adjectives have comparative and superlative. So of different rules. Okay. So like bad, ill, or worse and worst. Okay. So good, better, best, or little less, lesser, least, much more, much many, more or most. Okay. Where two forms have developed, so foremost, first, or most, uttermost, later, latest, last, old, older, less, lesser, so etc. Okay, so there is usually a differentiations in meaning, like father and father, so also have different meanings. Okay, so the correct use of such adjectives is explained in the next one. So here, and much more than most. Okay, so some words do not follow the rules. And so this is the example. You know, good. Okay, this is a piece of cake, and better is a double layer, and the best is a triple layer. Okay, good. This is better and the best. Okay, and this is rule 6. Words with three or more syllables. Okay, already I told what is that syllable. Okay, already I told syllable. Okay, and get more and most before the word. Okay, what is that? Beautiful. So beautiful and more beautiful and most beautiful. Okay, so what is that? We add more and most. Beautiful is beautiful. So here three syllable. Okay, and interesting. Interesting, it changes to more interesting and most interesting. Okay, more and most interesting. So syllable is nothing but the unity at all next higher level. Then the phoneme is called syllable. Okay, so stress syllable. Okay, and next one, expensive, more expensive, or most expensive. Okay, expensive. So there are three syllables. So here words with the three or more syllables get more and most before the word. Okay, and this is example of rule 6. Okay, what is that? Expensive. Expensive is like a shirt. Okay, and more expensive watch. And the most, okay, what is it? It's a diamond ring. Okay, this is the most expensive. So here expensive is a positive degree. Okay, and more expensive is comparative degree, and most expensive is superlative degree. So this example, cats or dash than means, that's a bigger. Okay, so here bigger is comparative degree. The comparative degree is a comparison of two things, okay, or objects or place. So here answer is bigger. So cats are bigger than mice. And this is birds are cute. Bunnies are cuter, but cats are the dash pets. So here cutest pets. So cutest is a superlative degree. Okay. So usually we know birds are cute and bunnies are cuter, but the cats are the dash pets. Okay, it's the cutest pets. And this is another examples like a butterflies or dash than grasshoppers. So already grasshopper is beautiful, but so here butterflies or dash than grasshopper is a prettier. So here we use comparative degree. And this is another one. Yesterday was hot, but today is even dash. It's like hotter. Okay, yesterday was hot, but today is even hotter. So here hotter is comparative degree. So we have mentioned hot, hotter and hotter. So your answer is hotter. And today is dash than yesterday. Today is colder than yesterday. Okay, today is colder than yesterday. Okay, so what is that? So so degrees of comparison is nothing but what is that? The degrees. Okay, degrees of comparison is nothing but is a comparison. Like there are 3 degrees of comparison, like a positive and comparative and superlative. So positive degree, you know what is that, gives us information like a pretty, prettier. Okay, the girl is smart and dangerous, proud and graceful. Like the house is big, the girl is smart. And so here smart, the girl is smart. So here smart also positive degree. And the comparative degree, what is that? Is used to compare only two things. Okay, is used to only compare two things. What is that? The bee is smaller than the bird. The bee is smaller than the bird. And another example like the butterfly is prettier than the worm, and the ant is slower than the cockroach. Okay, so here slower is a comparative degree. Or some example like what is that? Positive degree we have mentioned no other boy in the class is as clever as. Okay, is a Hari. So here as clever as and no other. So we change to comparative degree. What is that? Hari is cleverer than any other boy in the class. So here this comparative degree is cleverer than any other. Okay, and so we changes to superlative degree like Hari is the cleverest of all the boys in the class. Hari is the cleverest in the of all the boys in the class. For another example like as tall as. Okay, is like a Murthy is not as tall as Ramesh. Like we changes to comparative degree like Ramesh is taller than Murthy. Okay, and next one. So here we have used two degrees like our house is big and by mouse is bigger. So we have we use big because of positive and because is a comparative degree. So here the boy is fast on his bicycle. I am a faster, and is ending in FUL we use ending in ful, I mean adjective ending in ful or e. So here we use more and most. So what is that? His answers is painful and more painful, and hopeful more hopeful, and this is exceptions to the rule, like father, farther, further, older, older, and old, older, elder. Okay, many much more this exceptions. And so here the superlative degree, this definition is, what is that? As a used to compare, there are more objects or people or places. Okay, so it's used to compare three or more objects, is people or places. So here we mentioned that the ladybug is cuter than the fly. Okay, and the grasshopper is cutest of them all. This is superlative. And yes, this example, and superlative degree exams, she was the smartest girl in the class. Okay, and painful are changes to more, and as usual is changes to most painful. Okay, as usual adjective ends in f or e, we use most. And next one is, this is a rule one, like save, safer, safer. So add or and st to words that end in e. This is a rule one. And rule two, like if the word ends in y and change the y to I, then add or es, I mean e or est. Okay, like happy is happy. Okay, changes to y, and add I. Okay, changes the y to I, then add er. Okay, and est. And rule 3, okay, this is a short sound. Okay, when the word has short sound, the last letter must be double when adding er or est. Okay, like what is it? Big, bigger and biggest. Okay, so we add double. So big is we positive, and bigger, bigger, and biggest, biggest. So rule 4. Okay, so when the word has one syllable, ends on two consonants. Okay, ends on two consonants. Add er or est. Okay, so already you know what do you mean consonants or vowels. Yeah. So vowels is nothing but a, e, I, o, u, and remaining parts is consonant sound. Okay, so here I mean one syllable, like a small black, this is gold. So this is all that one syllable. So we add as usual ends in er and est. Okay, and rule 5. So yes, some words do not follow the rules, like what is it? Good, better, the best, on bad words. So this is the rule 5. And rule 6, words with 3 or more syllables get more and most before the word. Okay, words with 3 or more syllables, so get more and most before the word. Okay, example like interesting or more interesting, most interesting, and expensive or difficult, more difficult. Okay, most difficult, and honest, more or most honest. So most adjectives of 2 syllables and all adjectives of more than 2 syllables take a more and most. So before them to form the comparative and superlative degrees, like what is that? Difficult is a more difficult and most difficult. Honest, more honest, or most honest. Okay, and so these are the example. Okay, thank you.